So an installation like this means that we're going to remove all the old equipment, and then we come back in with the brand new equipment based upon what the customer purchased. This particular customer purchased a high efficiency Lennox 16 SEER heat pump system. So we'll be removing the old, installing all the new city code improvements on the system. We also added some return air because this system was short on return air. So we're adding return air, we're adding the UV light, we're adding a soft start kit to this system to help prolong the life of it.